Lightning Cat, take 1. So here is this 3D, as they call it, printed Lightning Cat. You can tell it's a digital print. Well, at least that's what I would call it, I guess. It looks way cooler from afar than it does up close. But it is absolutely hilarious. And the back matches the front. Turn around, meow.
Right, meow?
Right, meow.
Okay.
Yeah, I totally love that the front and the back. Because really, if you're wearing this shirt out, everybody should see it. Too funny. Okay, great stitching. You got your overlock.
Yeah, the neck is a little tight. But
that doesn't bother some people. I know it does you. It is a size XL. Cam is 6 foot and like totally average torso, leg kind of thing. And yeah, it's a little short, so you wanna, and then, okay, now raise your arms. So like if you to like reach up for something,
whoops,
you're gonna be showing some booty. All right, turn around, meow.
All right.
Yeah, so because of the size, we haven't washed it yet. I will be washing it on Delicate inside out, just so we hopefully don't lose any of the colors of the print. And hang drying for sure.
Oh, you want to check the tag?
Oh yeah, okay. So I was saying it's a size extra large, but it's obviously, well, made in China, 4XL. Yeah. So their sizes are obviously way, way, way different than ours are. And I mean, really, who would not love this shirt? Well, Cam would like a better fat V-neck, but
yes.
Yeah. So, any other thoughts?
Order one. Meow.
Like, right.